Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of EURJPY, Euro Japanese Yen for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of Euro JPY in front of us, and as you can see I have got three lines here. So, and let me tell you that this chart may look simple, but there are some complications that we need to understand. So please do listen to my words carefully. So this is the 4-hour chart of Euro JPY, and as you can see here, this market is in downtrend. Okay, if we just look at the overall trend of the market here, then there is no doubt that this market is in downtrend, or this market is under the influence of sellers. Whenever a market is downtrend, it means that number of sellers are higher in comparison to number of buyers. And you can see that I have also got a trend line drawn here, which is acting as a dynamic resistance for the market. In simple words, whenever market is trying to go up, or whenever buyers are trying to take the price upward, they are facing selling pressure from this trend line. Therefore, there is no doubt that this trend line is a valid resistance for the market, because see here, here, on numerous occasions whenever market tried to go up, it faced severe selling pressure, and as a result there is no doubt, or there should not be any doubt, that this trend line is a valid resistance. So my dear friend, if you do not have these lines in your charting platform, then I'll request you to draw this line so that you can understand the market better, so that you can do proper analysis and trade better as well. Okay, so this line is clear. Secondly, we have also got a support here. After two touches, we can consider this as a support for the market here. Just keep in mind one thing, that in comparison to this trend line or this resistance, this support is much more weaker, because you can see that this trend line is acting as a strong resistance for the market for quite some time, for a long time, and this support in comparison to this resistance is quite a new one. Okay, therefore these resistances are much more stronger in the chart of EURJPY in comparison to this support. And right now you can see that, okay, right now you can see that market is just standing at support, or during the last trading session market just closed at the resistance. Market is just standing at the resistance here. So your first trading opportunity is, let the market open on Monday and see how the price is doing. If you see price is still facing the same selling pressure it faces, or it faced at the resistance, then you can short the market here. Okay, because market is standing right now at a resistance, and if you see, or if you witness the same selling pressure on the market, you can short the market on Monday. Okay, and this is your first trading opportunity on the chart of EURJPY. On the other hand, if you miss the opportunity, okay, if you miss the opportunity and if you find market taking support here, or let's say if you short the market at the trend line, then this will be your take profit target. Okay, and if you find market bouncing from this support here, then you can also go for a buy here. Just keep in mind that confirmation is important, because as I have clearly said just a couple of minutes ago, that this trend line, this resistance is much more stronger in comparison to the support. Therefore confirmation is always important. Confirmation, okay, how will you get the confirmation? You'll get the confirmation in the form of a hammer pattern, price rejection from below like this, or a green candle like this. Once you get the confirmation that yes, market is respecting this trend line as a valid support, and you can easily go for a buy here. So this trend line, this resistance is your first trading opportunity, and this support, or this dynamic support, is your second trading opportunity. And as you can see that I have also got one line here drawn on the chart, 130.50. This line or this price level brings some complications to the market, okay, because this level belongs to the weekly chart. This is the weekly chart of EURJPY, and as we all know, weekly chart is important because this time frame belongs to the institutional traders, the big boys. So this is the weekly chart of EURJPY, and right now just try to understand the market psychology here. Okay, we can see that we have seen market is in downtrend, but when we come to the weekly chart here, the picture has changed. Right now we can see that this market is an uptrend. Do you think that this market is a downtrend? No, not at all. This market is an uptrend, and this is just a consolidation. And right now you can see that for the past 3 weeks, market is showing severe price rejection from below. So on the 4 hour chart we have seen that market is in downtrend, but when we came to the weekly chart, the picture has changed. This is just a pullback, and right now we can see that for the past 3 weeks market is showing us signs of price rejection from below, which means that buyers are there in the market. Okay, and there is a good possibility that market will be going up in next week or after a couple of weeks. So your duty as a trader is to observe the market well. Okay, so as I've clearly spoken, this is your first trading opportunity on Monday, this is your second trading opportunity on Monday. If market goes down from here, you can short the market. If market reverses from here, you can go for buy. On the other hand, if market crosses this trend line, okay, listen to me carefully, if market crosses this trend line, then you must be careful. If you want to go for a buy here, then you can go for a buy, but I'll say that as market is respecting this trend line as a valid resistance for quite some time, therefore if market crosses this trend line, then wait for at least 4 to 6 hours. Okay, wait for at least 4 to 6 hours and just try to observe the market emotion. Just try to understand the body language of the market. If you see price trading comfortably above the trend line, okay, then you can go for buy. Then you can go for a buy if you find market trading comfortably above 4 to 6 hours. That's it. Okay, but keep in mind that if you go for a buy also, your next your take profit target will be 130.50, because 130.50 is a strong resistance on the weekly chart. Therefore if you buy here, this will be your exit price, 130.50. okay, and looking at the present condition of the market, we can see that there is very less chance that market will be crossing this 130.50 level on Monday. So that's a different chapter. If market crosses this level, I'll be discussing what should be your strategy. But right now, okay, this is your first trading opportunity. If market goes down from the trend line, short the market. If market reverses from this support, you can go for a buy here, and if market crosses this trend line, you can go for buy after 4 to 6 hours if you find that market is trading comfortably. Okay, so and this will be your take profit target, 130.50 level. This is your take profit target. So these are the opportunities on the chart of EURJPY for Monday. Hopefully I've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you on Monday again. Bye bye.